Hello dear students, I welcome you all in the third lecture of topology lecture series. So if you are new to this lecture, I will suggest you please watch other lectures that happened before this lecture. So this is the topology lecture number 3. So in this lecture we will mainly focus on open balls. So we will see how open balls looks in R2 with different metric. Okay, so first let us consider the metric space R2 with the Euclidean metric. Okay, so here open balls, as I have defined open balls, open ball structure looks like Bx comma R, where for every open balls I am fixing R as 1. Okay, you can take any R because this is radius, so you can take any R greater than 0. Therefore Bx comma R equal to all those y belongs to R2 such that dE x comma y less than 1. This is the definition. Okay, so now how Euclidean metric defined? dE x comma y is equal to dE x1 y1 x2 y2. How this came? Just see this. X and y belongs to R2, so all the points in R2 in pair form. It is the first coordinate, it is for second coordinate. So x is x1 y1 and y is actually x2 y2. These are 2 points in R2. So how this metric defined? Metric defined as root of x1 minus x2 square plus y1 minus y2 square, and R is 1, therefore less than 1. Okay, I am fixing R as 1. You can take any R, arbitrary R. Okay, for our help we are taking R. So from this what we get? If we square both sides, we get x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square equal to 1. Just we are squaring both sides, less than 1. Okay, so now what is this? This is actually equation of circle. Okay, so what we have got? We have got in R2 comma d Euclidean metric that we have defined. Here every open ball looks like B x comma R equal to y belongs to R2 such that x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square less than R. That is R is 1 we have considered. Okay, x is x1 comma y1 and y is x2 comma y2. Okay, so if we take that x, that is our center, x is 0 comma 0 and R is 1, then how our open ball will looks like? Open ball looks like in such a way that B 0, that is 0 comma 0 comma R is 1 is nothing but all those y belongs to R2 such that x1 is 0, therefore x2 square plus y2 square less than 1. where y is defined as x2 comma y2. So what is this? This open ball, how this open ball looks like? It is nothing but the equation of circle, and center is at origin. Okay, this looks like in this. So this is x, that is 0 comma 0, this one is 0 comma 0. Now our b 0 comma 1 is actually this one, this circle, where the radius is r is 1. Okay, so now in R2 with Euclidean matrix, every open balls, how it looks like? It looks like a circle. Okay, now in R2 with Euclidean matrix, how all the open sets will be look like? All the open sets will be union of such circle. Okay, this one is less than 1, so the boundary is not there. Okay, it will be dot 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 dot. Boundary is not, we are not considering the boundary, we are only considering the inner side. So all the open sets will be in R2 with Euclidean matrix will be, suppose this one one circle, and suppose this one circle, means both are open balls. Now this one is also open set, this one is also open set, and union of both two is also open set, because we know every open sets are the union of open balls, and all the open balls are actually open sets. So you have understand that in R2 with Euclidean matrix how open balls are looks like. Now we will see in R2 with another metric how open ball will be look like. Now second one is similar in R2 with another metric. Okay, let's suppose defined as D infinity metric. Okay, now in this D infinity metric I will define in the open balls, I will define how D infinity metric look like. Okay, so the open balls B x comma r, x is center and r is radius. Now the open balls in this R2 with D infinity matrix is nothing but is equal to defined as all those y belongs to R2 such that D infinity x comma y is equal to D infinity x1 y1 x2 y2, means two element, x1 y1 is x and x2 y2 is y, is defined as, now here I am again defining this, defined as maximum of x1 minus x2 plus y1 minus y2, not plus, it is comma, makes either maximum of x1 minus x2 or y1 minus y2. This should be less than r. This is the definition for b x comma r. Okay, now you got it, I think. So now we have to now visualize this geometrically. Okay, how this open ball looks like in R2. So now if x is 0 comma 0, suppose our center of the open ball is 0 comma 0 and r is if you consider as 1. Okay, so see how d, therefore d infinity 0 comma 0 1 is nothing but all those y belongs to R2 such that maximum of x2 comma y2 less than 1. And what is y? Y is actually x2 comma y2. Okay, now see this, from 0 to 0 all those y we will take, and y's are the y coordinate is x2 y2. Now either x2 mod of x2 must be less than 1 or either mod of y2 must be less than 1. Okay, so which one maximum, we will take that one. Okay, so now this, if we open the bracket we will find that actually x2 is less than 1, which implies x2 is less than 1 or minus x2 is less than 1, and similarly y2 is less than 1 or minus y2 is less than 1. So all those y x2 and y2, that is all those y will come in this open ball. You can understand this. Okay, so let us visualize this in the figure. So if this is our center, that is 0 comma 0. Okay, so now how this open balls will look like? Now just after the bracket open, what equation we got, we just write the equation. Okay, so x2 is less than 1, that will be this one. Suppose this one is 1, this one. Minus x2 is less than 1, these two equation, this equation and this equation I have drawn. Okay, and y2 is, suppose this is up, this much is 1. Okay, so this one, y2 is less than 1 and y2 is less than minus 1. Okay, this one, these two equation. Okay, I have drawn. Now all these points come under b 0 comma 1. Okay, with which metric? With d infinity metric. This open balls defined. Okay, because suppose this point will be, will this come under this? Yes, because for this point modulus of x2 or modulus of y2 definitely less than 1. Okay,